Hi guys, today we're doing a citrus fruit explosion. So for this explosion, what you need is some baking powder,
food colouring,
which you can do any colour, and you need a knife.
but make sure for an adult supervision when you use the knife.
Yeah. So first, we're just gonna get a fruit, a citrus fruit.
Yep, you've got a satsuma there, haven't you, Aiden?
Yeah, this is a satsuma.
Yeah.
Or you can do an orange
Yeah.
or satsuma. And this is a lime.
And this is a lemon.
Yeah. And first you've got to cut off the top of it, haven't you? Just a little bit. That's it. Nice and careful. Remember to always have an adult with you when you're using knives.
Okay.
Perfect. Lovely. If it stands up on its own, lovely. Excellent. Leave it there. Not now. Let's carry on with the experiment. Okay, I know. Keep going.
Now what you do is with the spoon, you kind of like make the juice go down.
Then you make a hole.
Yeah, you got to scoop some of it out to make some space. Don't scoop it all out because you need some, but scoop it out. While Aiden's doing that, Elia, why don't you cut the lime or the lemon? Nice and carefully. That's it. Really carefully. Look at that. Excellent.
So for the lemon or the lime, you have to cut the back or the front of it.
Yeah. Yeah, because you need it to stand up straight, don't you?
Yeah,
Lovely.
but with an orange, it already stands.
Yeah.
So you just have to cut the top.
Super. Yeah, lovely. Have you made enough space in it, Aiden?
Yeah.
Yeah, because the baking soda's needing to go in there.
A bit more. I didn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. It's quite tough, that lemon, isn't it?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, so you scoop it out. Aiden, you can start cutting the lime. Excellent. You're doing a brilliant job, guys.
Scoop it. Oh my gosh, it's really hard.
That's it. Keep going. Amazing.
This would go good for some food.
Oh, yes,
Like
it
some
would.
fish and chips.
Oh, it really would. I'm getting hungry. That's it. Just a bit off the bottom so it stands up. Oh, yeah, lemons are full of seeds, aren't they? Full of pips.
Yeah. Okay. So what you have to do now is with the food colouring,
Yeah.
just a little bit. You get a little with your knife or back of your spoon or whatever.
Yeah.
You put it in, I don't know, let's say 3 or 4 of one of the little holes in it
Yeah.
to make it
Yeah.
slime.
Yep, I think that's perfect, Leah. Super. Do the next one now.
Look at the smiley face.
Oh, yeah, it does look like a smiley face. Let's look at that. Lovely.
Well, this
So
lemon juice looks
now what we have to do.
Go on, why don't you have a little taste of it, Aiden?
Oh, yes.
I'm gonna do that too because I love
That's it. Ooh, sour. Is it sour?
Orange is good.
the lemon
Okay,
is quite sour. It's really good.
okay.
Yeah,
All right, let's carry on.
So now what we do is we sprinkle some baking powder on top.
Keep going, you need quite a lot. So Aiden, get your colours in the rest of it.
So I'm using
You need quite a lot.
Oh my gosh.
That's it, that's it. And with the knife, poke it all in. That's okay, poke it all in.
Hopefully this works.
Yeah, it's
it
meant
works.
to.
It
Yeah,
works, it
look,
works.
it's bubbling.
Yay!
It's bubbling over.
I think I put a bit too much food colouring.
Oh, that's okay. Don't put any more. Look at this one. Oh, there we go. Keep going.
Look at this. So
Wow,
cool.
that's really exploding now, isn't it?
And I'm using
Look at that.
Just gonna
So
keep on bubbling
once you
it.
need it, there's baking soda.
Hello.
That is really looking cool. That's like a lava explosion, isn't it?
Yeah,
Look
but
at that lovely
purple.
colour. It's a really nice colour, isn't it? Indigo. That's
like
what that
an
looks like.
indigo-y
A
purple.
deep dark purple. Oh, I love that. Okay, Aiden, you ready for yours? Okay.
I'm going to
Which
do
one?
orange.
Go on then, into the Satsuma. You're going to need more than that, so keep going nice and fast. That's it.
I'm going to
Let's get this out of the way.
Don't put too much.
That's it, that's it, that's enough. Now poke it in.
Loads by accident.
Poke it in.
Maybe like use a knife to like look like this.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's it. And again, always be careful with knives. Get parents to help you. Oh, look.
Well,
Look at that, it's bubbling up.
I think it's because the lemon, when
It's
it...
more sour,
Yeah.
so you need like.
Oh, wow.
I think
Look
because
at
the
that
lime
one.
is sour, it might explode
Yeah.
a bit more.
So we can see which one lavas up the most, can't we? Which
I
would be
think
really
it's
cool.
going to be the lemon.
Oh, it's going.
Yeah.
The Satsuma's going a little bit more. Look at that.
yeah, that's nice. I like
That
the
does
colour.
look really nice. I love that colour. Lovely blue colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's your favourite colour. Green.
Right, shall we see? Should we do the last one and see what happens?
Green extreme.
Okay, ready? Whoop. In with that baking soda. Bit more, bit more.
Okay.
That's it, bit more.
Oh my gosh, I think
Okay.
Oh my god, look what I did.
Yeah, that's fine. Keep going. Rub it down. All that colour is making a big mess, isn't it? That's what makes it
Yeah.
even more fun. Okay, now we need to see which one. Oh, wow.
I think it's
Oh, wow.
I think it's bubbling with the
That one bubbled up really quick, didn't it, in the lime?
Yeah.
yeah. But I think the lemon bubbled up
And
way
look, it's
more.
still going. Look,
Yeah.
it's fizzing.
That's so cool.
That really is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. I think what do you think, guys? Which one was the most?
I think the lemon.
You think the lemon? What do you think, Aaliyah? The lemon?
I think it's both the lemon and
Yeah, the lemon and the lime's much
this
quicker.
is rock hard. This is like
It's rock
sediment.
hard.
Yeah, it's like
It's
sediment.
not a rock hard, it's
Oh.
a bit squishy.
Crispy.
It is. It's really, really. It's crystallized, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's like
Like the one here's gone like the bit here's
Oh.
gone a bit like.
Wow, look
it's
at
like
that.
sand. It's like blue
It
sand.
is like sand,
yeah,
isn't it?
feels like sand.
We could use that for a little bit of play then, couldn't we? Use
Yeah.
that for sand play. Oh, I like it. Look at that. Look at these lovely colours as well. So that's the reaction, guys. Baking soda and citrus, because that's what that is. We've got our lemon. We've got, hold it up for us. Our smiley face lemon there we had, didn't we?
Yeah.
And lime. Oh, yeah. I think the lime's the best, guys. Look at that.
Yeah,
Look how
me
green.
too.
And then the Satsuma.
The sandy
Yeah,
Satsuma.
the sandy Satsuma, which is quite dry, isn't it? It's dried out quite quickly.
Yeah.
Wow, guys, that was a really cool experiment. What did you think? Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think this one exploded the most. This one looks the nicest.
Yeah,
And this one dried up the most.
it did, exactly. And I love that conclusion. Amazing. Well, guys, I hope you're going to try it at home, everybody. And remember to get an adult to help you when you're using knives. And see you next time. Aaliyah and Aiden, do you want to say anything to everyone?
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.